Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon to everyone, especially to all my YouTube friends and family, I say. So, thank you guys for your continued supporting my channel, Louisa Lifestyle and Travel. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. We have more stuff to unbox, and everything that we're unboxing, most of them is definitely going to be sent to the Philippines and sending it to the single moms in the Philippines that we are supporting there back home. So let's go ahead and get this started. So I went to the store. This is my first time I've been to Teso. It's a Korean store here in Houston that I found stuff that I needed. So you want to get beautified also, right? So most of this stuff, I believe this is all going to be mine for facial and all that kind of stuff. So this is very popular right now, and I already used up the one box and finished it. So definitely want to buy some more. It's the bio collagen mask, and it's nice. You probably see it on the TikTok that you keep it overnight. When you put it on, it's pure white, and then the next day everything clear the next day. So every collagen or whatever they have on that mask, it's already absorbed in your skin overnight, so you keep it overnight. So hydrating for minimizing and firming. Okay, so this is it. Here's one. Definitely I already used one box. Definitely don't we all want the v-neck, to have the v-neck lifting? So I purchased it, and even though I purchased this a month ago, as you can tell, it's still in the box because I have not done the unboxing, but I just got busy. I have other stuff that I'm using anyway, and I'm not using any of this, so that's why, like I said, it's been a month when I purchased this. I'm just now doing the unboxing. I got busy, but that's okay. That's okay. This definitely another one that I want to open. It's a miniature house, and you're gonna assemble this, and I don't know really how many pieces, but it's gonna be look like this. So if I have time, I'm definitely gonna go do it. I'm gonna make some time, but it's not the priority right now. There you go. It's 126 pieces. Okay, so this is gonna be fun. So watch out for that when we put this together, like the puzzle. All right, let's do that. I love, of course, Hello Kitty. Let's see here. Oops. Oh, I still have my receipts. How much is it? $200. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh my G. I did purchase $200 with that one time. All right, let's see here. So a couple things here that I purchased. Love Hello Kitty. So we are I'm just gonna look at this, but eventually it's gonna be donated. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be donated. I'm definitely gonna donate that. And we do have, I have purchased all my a lot of erasers. So I already have it in one container, so we're gonna have the unboxing for all the different type of cute erasers, and I got already a bunch of them. So I found a couple stuff that I wanted, that it looks so cute, so that's the only reason I got it. And I cannot even remember how much is this, but just imagine $200 that I spent. There you go. I purchased, actually, I guess they already ate one. I purchased 3 of this. It was on sale Like the regular was $6.99 and it was for $1.99. So why not? What do we have here? Oh, there you go. This is a sunscreen, and it's I love Korean product, Japan Korean product. This is all made in Japan, so definitely we need to put sunscreen all the time, and made from Korea or Japan. I love them. Definitely love it. Oh, there you go. Here's another erasers. It's cute. Oh, cute, cute. Okay. And I think some of them already have open it because I cannot even find. Anyway, so here's this is conditioner. It's like a treatment. Okay, it's a treatment after your shampoo. And apply. Okay, I gotta just read that. So, I know honey is really good if you use it for anything, but this is actually for your hair. It's a treatment. Okay, so. Okay, they have keratin also, so definitely I'm gonna try this tonight. I cannot believe I purchased this a month ago and I have not opened it yet. I need to stop that purchasing stuff and then I don't use it right away. Well, because I'm trying to finish what I have already, right? So anyway, that's it. So I went and got like a several pampaputi or something. I don't know, just something. When I saw it, why not? Made from Japan. So ito puputi, yung kilikili pampaputi. I mean, I just saw it, like, you know what, just buy it. Even the boys could use it. Okay, there we go. So this is it from this stack. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. So after I sign up to become a member from that place, from Teso place, and they gave us the gift. So let's see what they have it here. So okay, well, we can definitely donate this. Cute. We can definitely donate this, guys. This is their giveaway. This is damage. This is Sprout Pusher for Repair Vitamin C, Damage Care Shampoo, and this one is Damage Care Treatment. Okay. Yeah, I'm very picky on my using. I don't use shampoo. I have not used shampoo for years. I will just use conditioner. Never shampoo my hair. Is that crazy or what? See what they have it for. Hand cream. Make me happy. Alright, so I can definitely just donate this. Made from Japan. Oh, this one right here. Milk coffee. June. Oh, June 2025. It's about to expire. I'm gonna get my kids to drink this now because I don't drink anything with sugar. Look at the sugar. 110. 31. So as my kids, guys. We haven't really had any sugar stuff. And they give you crackers. Okay. There's no expiration date. Yeah, sometimes there's the other stuff that they don't have expiration date unless it's in there somewhere, but I can't read it. The crackers. So here's another one every day. Got to read it. This one, just slowly reading it. Let me see it. Do not use this product if your nails have any. Oh, for nails. Okay. Let me see. Made in Taiwan. Really? I thought everything that they have. Never mind. Weekly gel powders. So now powders. Okay. Alright, so still closed, so just donate it. Okay. It's not opening. There's no. Got to look for the expiration date. I can't see. I'm gonna have to. Maybe I'm like right here reading it, but I'm not seeing it yet. What it says right here. Osaka, Japan. Made in Taiwan. Alright, so we're gonna delete this. Okay. We are just going to delete all of this. I don't need it, all that. Let the kids enjoy this. I'm not going to put that because this is something, just things that we open. Things that we open. Alright, so that's it, guys. So here we go, we are done. Thank you very much, guys. Another unboxing done. So I really appreciate everyone. Thank you, everyone. God bless you and God bless your family. Thank you, everyone. To all my friends there in YouTube, thank you so much. I love you all, guys. You know who you are. They're always there supporting my channel. So God bless you. I love you all, guys. Bye guys. Love, love, love.